Welcome. I'll show you a 3 BHK beautiful sample flat of this property. So this will be your entrance foyer. From the entrance foyer, when you get in, this will be the good isolation. Now this is a sample flat of a 3 BHK. तो अंदर आने के बाद ये entrance foyer आपको isolation देता है सब for all the security purposes. Now this is going to be the first bedroom here. Then the living. And then all the kitchen and all the layouts. So I will start from the first bedroom. But हाँ, let me just tell you, आप दरवाजे की हाइट देखिए. I am standing here. This is a 8 feet by 4 feet door with proper wooden finishing. Digital ये का digital door lock system है. And this is going to be a very good premium property in Baodhan. Now when you get inside, this will be the wardrobe what they have shown how you can do it here. ऐसे wardrobe space आपको मिल सकता है. This is the bedroom area. ये bed size भी अच्छा दिया है इन्होंने. So this will be, and we'll come to this. This is the best part I'll show you. Now these are the wash fittings they have given. Bathroom fittings, the countertop basin, the very good fittings, including the shower and everything they have given very nicely. They have a balcony which I will show you. This is called a running balcony. So this is the first bedroom, the living, the dining, the kitchen area. Now this is where it is called as a proper butterfly layout. मतलब butterfly के wings होते हैं ना, तो एक इधर हो गया, दूसरा उधर हो गया, तो आपको privacy अच्छा मिलेगा. This is the 6-seater dining area, dining space they have given. Now, this is going to be the best part, which is the balcony. This is called the running balcony, जो मैं बात कर रहा था ना, तो वो guest bedroom or the office or the kids bedroom or whichever second bedroom आपको कहना है वैसे. And this is the balcony. आप देखिए. This is a very big balcony. आपको sizes वगैरह सगे will be giving you all the details, and you can have a 3-seater, maybe 3-seater ऐसा arrangement अच्छा कर सकते हो according to your interiors. आपको जैसा चाहिए वैसा. Now this is the first open or washroom which is for the common area, and this is the kitchen. आप देखिए इतना किचन बड़ा आपको मिलेगा, एंड यू कैन कीप दिस ओपन इफ यू वांट. तो ये सर्विंग विंडो जैसा हो जाता है. एंड जैसे लेडीज को कभी कभी लगता है कि मैं किचन में हूं और कोई किसी से बात नहीं करता, तो यू विल नॉट बी लेफ्ट आउट. आपको अच्छा लगेगा यहाँ से. एंड दिस यू कैन कवर अप. अगर आपको चाहिए तो ड्राई बालकनी आइसोलेशन चाहिए टोटली, तो नहीं तो इधर आप एक थोड़ा वेट एरिया क्रिएट कर सकते हैं वॉशिंग मशीन जैसा. And then this they have given the open dry balcony. Now this is the second bedroom and this is the third bedroom. So we'll come to the second bedroom. आप देखिए, they have given, this is a protection and ये भी आपको clear glass मिलता है. तो ऊपर का हाइट से बहुत अच्छा फ्लोर टू सीलिंग अच्छा हाइट मिलता है. This is the study table given for the kids. And there is a wardrobe also given here. आपको wardrobe भी ऐसे बिठा सकते हो. So this is also a very good size they have given. 10 by 12 का bedroom size है ये. And now look at the wastage space. It is very minimalistic. And then this is the master bedroom. When you come walk inside the master bedroom, you can have a good place for your. There is a lot of place. ऐसा आपको wardrobe कर सकते हैं. Now this is the washroom area with a glass partition. ये भी आपको एक्सेस थोड़ा स्पेस मिलेगा यहाँ पे ACs and all बिठाने के लिए. That is a good isolation they have given. And this is the master bedroom with a proper king size master bedroom with and one more wardrobe given. And these are the windows for this thing, and you get a mosquito mesh also. तो मतलब आपको लॉन्ग रन में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. So this is the kind of a solution we are offering you, and this is a 3 BHK property, a show flat 3 BHK किया है, and me and my son would like to proudly present this opportunity for you as we are the official channel partners with AOP registrations, and we will be giving you the best rates जो और कोई दे नहीं सकते. First of all, because we are RERA certified, one of the first 200 people in India, I'll proudly tell you that. Secondly, we are Pakka Punekars and we are a father-son duo with a 25-year-old legacy in Pune, as I am a Pune-born realtor and engineer turned realtor, and we will be giving you the best deals as we are working with multiple branded developers, as you will be getting good deals only from us. So please call on the number mentioned on the screen, and this is the property. I hope you are extremely happy with this kind of solutions we are offering, that too in Baudhan, well connected to Hinjewadi, to Kothurud, to Bangalore highway, everywhere. So आप फोन करिए and आम्ही तुम्हाला खूप छान solutions देऊ शकतो. Be assured about it. And if you are an NRI, you can always call us directly and we'll give you a digital presentation of the same also. Thank you. Namaste.